Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining Straight Talk Home Internet in 2026. We will be discussing about the plans, the availability and coverage, and whether it is actually worth using in 2026. So as you can see, I'm currently on the official website of straighttalk.com, and here on the website, you will come to know about these services. So first of all, let's understand how Straight Talk Home Internet actually works. So Straight Talk Home Internet is a fixed wireless service that uses Verizon's 5G and 4G LTE network instead of the cable or a fiber. You just plug in a router that receives the cellular signal and turns it into the Wi-Fi for your home. Now there is mainly one simple plan that costs you about $45. You can see it over here. It is going to cost you $45 per month with unlimited data. If you already use a Straight Talk mobile plan, you can get it for around $35 per month. You do need to buy the router separately as a one-time cost. Now, if we talk about the speed and the performance, so the speed of this fiber internet typically ranges from about 20 Mbps to 200 Mbps depending on your location and the signal strength. It's good for streaming, browsing, and everyday use, but speeds can vary during the peak hours since it depends on the wireless network. Now, Straight Talk Home Internet is only available in the selected areas, so you will need to check your address before buying. You can check it by providing your address information and the email address of yours. When you click on the check availability option, you will get the results on your email address or on the website. Now, the real question is, should you go for this in 2026? So, first of all, it is a great option if you want cheap, no contract internet with easy setup and unlimited data. But if you need very fast and stable speeds like gaming or heavy work, fiber or the cable internet will usually perform better. So, if this quick explanation of the Straight Talk Home Internet in 2026 helped you understand it better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.